In the middle of nowhere. Hey! What are those?
Okay, sir, today I will be taking you on a tour of the barn.
The barn. Okay. Let's see the barn.
No.
Wait, hold on, Scotty. It says no trespassing. Is this safe to walk on?
Yes, sir, it is.
Don't stomp
This
around.
many wood.
Might find your leg.
What are those? Go ahead, penguin boy.
Okay, this is a fence around here.
Oh man, I hear music.
Okay,
Wow.
this is the main room.
Man, look at this. What in the world's going on here? That was good timing.
Okay, we have
Man, fridge, sink.
a fridge.
This is a nice barn.
Yeah.
You got lights.
Look at this frying pan.
Oh, gas stove, baby.
Yeah.
Warm water, baby. Pam, baby.
So.
Oh, we got some Glen Maderos playing in the background. Wait, what's this?
Oh.
God, you forgot to show us the most important thing.
Chickens. It's family time right now.
It's feeding time.
The family of cats.
I don't want to live without you.
A go-kart.
Oh man,
Okay.
this is awesome.
This is our main table.
This is Vietnam brought to America. Yeah.
Here we have a TV.
Oh yeah.
Water.
We got Ender's Game.
Yes. Book.
We got Starbucks.
Starbucks. We have a glove. Okay. Oh.
Woohoo! Too much fun. Alright, Sky. Oh, is that a pool table I see?
Oh. Yes.
You gotta show me the
This
pool
is
table.
a stool first.
Oh, you got for the winters, right?
See right here, then? Somebody had to go to the bathroom last night.
Ah.
What is that shiny thing over there, Scotty?
Oh, wait. Before we get there,
What is that shiny thing?
beware of this stuff here. Poison ivy.
Poison ivy, huh?
Yeah. Dangerous. What is that shiny thing?
I think I know what that is from my Boy Scout days. I mean, that's actually pretty nice, to be honest.
Ow.
That's pretty nice, to be honest, Scotty.
Yeah. You gonna see here?
Oh, man. I might have to censor this part out. Is the hole fresh?
Yes.
Anything in there?
Nothing in there.
Hey! Look at that. Just some sand, guys. Wow, look at that. That's a nice toilet seat.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like oil. All right.
Here we have the pool table.
Dang, boy.
As you see here, come over here, sir. Please. You see, there's no number 2 all here.
No number 2?
But right here, and watch it appear over here. It's gonna appear right here. Magic.
All right, man.
Okay, in here,
We got the cat food.
yes, this is the cat food. Right here is the bedroom or the no cat zone.
No cat zone?
Yes.
Man. Mom's coming? She's gonna come here and bite me. You can tell me how to undo it. What do you want? Huh? What do you want? Are you a dog or a cat? I can't tell. Hey, stop biting me. Yeah, stop biting me. Hey. Stop being so cute, okay? Stop being so cute. Two of them. Yeah. This is like it's just been built right here.
Yeah.
Wow. VIP cribs,
Hammock.
baby.
Hammock.
Oh my
Here's
gosh.
some random letters here. Beds. Air mattress.
Who sleeps in this? That looks like a mini bear
I'm not
pouch.
really sure what this is.
You can't let the bears eat the food, so you put them in here, right?
Yeah. Clean alphabet earlier. Okay, we shall continue on our journey. Please
Alright.
close the door on your way out. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Hey, we got some fish tanks.
Okay, we have some fish tank.
We can raise some snakeheads.
Yes.
Come on. Let's go. Let's finish the tour so we can see the go-kart.
A tractor thing. I'm not really sure what this is.
So this used to be what, Scotty?
This is like be
It used to be
stable.
a horse stable, pig barn.
Yeah, and then
This is
underneath
where they
it
put
is
the poop.
manure,
Yeah.
yes.
Then they sell the poop, right, for fertilizer.
Yeah.
Man, look at that.
Go car. That tractor.
This is the life.
Here we have a random door here.
Wow, look, that's what manure looks like 20 years later when it's dried out. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Sir, don't.
Any
Do
dead?
not fall in there, sir.
Any dead bodies?
Or else I will lose some money.
Hey, look, this is a car jack.
Huh.
You can lift some engines with this baby.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Oh, here we got the electric boat motors.
Ooh.
Someone told me there's a pond around here. Is that true?
Yes. We'll be getting there soon.
Dude, this is kind of awesome, isn't it? You want to do the throw? Nice, D-man. That was a horrible throw. What are those? Ready? Check it out, V-man. Fresh tilapia, baby. Yeah. Pretty good size, right? They're gonna get bigger. You got them when they were like half your finger, half your thumb. Tilapia gets big. Yeah. Oh wow. Big air. Oh crap. Oh baby. Woohoo! Man, that's a feast. That's what you mean by pinwheel, huh?
Yeah, salmon pinwheel.
Man.
You guys want water?
Oh, we got the shrimp. We got the shrimp too. Man.
We got our dad.
Freshly caught by B-Man on the net. So, alright, see that flip. Oh, golden.
Color right here. This is golden color. That was good.
Man.
Didn't get after them? You keep it where it's opening. The fox is not going to come out.
Man, that looks good.
If you keep it back there, they'll come.
You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
It was overcast.